another day at Aussie Pump's production department. As you can see, we're building a big run here. Over there we've got Scud 400s coming through. Everybody's busy getting the stuff ready for shipping, where we've got flood affected areas. These pumps here are normally tanker pumps, but can be used for dewatering. I understand some of these are going up to Lismore today, along with these pressure cleaners. This is the production manager, Mel Patel. Mel, I see a lot of these units are sold already. These are mainly tanker pumps, but I understand you also can put them in frames and sell them as portable dewatering pumps. Is that right?
That's right. So these pumps are, we call a semi-trash. It can be used for dewatering.
Will handle silt?
It will handle silt.
So it's ideal for flood
mitigation. Yep.
Okay, so these are cast iron, and what's the impeller is open impeller, so it handles solids?
Yes, that's right. It's an open impeller with the 3 vanes, so it gives a high flow, plus it can handle some sort of solids through.
But these are fairly high head too. I understand this is a 50 psi pump.
That's right. So these pumps are designed for a good pressure and flow combination. Okay. Because this pump is designed as a semi-trash, so this is like an inspection door or a cleaning door. So when you got stuff full of the pump body, you can just open the inspection door, clean it, refit it, and ready to use.
Okay, so the way I understand it, if I've got a tanker with one of these, water cart with one of these machines set up on it, and I've got my piping, hard piping here with obviously flexible coupling so we don't get vibration. If I get some kind of an obstacle inside the pump, I don't have to disconnect my pipe work. I can just go straight to this inspection port here, and I can hose it out and clean it out without having to take it off the truck.
That's right, yes.
Wow, that's a huge benefit, isn't it?
Yes.
And cast iron means that this thing's never going to get a pressure spike, never going to wear out.
No.
They look like they're built like tanks.
They're very heavy pump, as you can see, so it's got a lot of meat in these pumps.
These are with Honda Electric Start
13 horsepower engine, yes.
Okay, and I saw last week you built a huge run of diesel drive units as well. They've been shipped yet?
That's right, we've shipped half of them already, and we've got some back orders for the remaining half. And same with this lot as well. We've sold almost half of them, and they're going to all sort of customers like tanker operators, construction side, water transfer.
These perilous times of unforecasted floods. I know that this morning towns on the north coast are flooding again. Byron Bay's underwater. All these places. Obviously, anything we can do to pull pumps out of here and get them up there for helping people to get the water out of their houses.
That's right.
Get their septic tanks back operating again, so there isn't sewage flowing down the streets. All those sort of horrible things. What's going on over the next bench here? I see Dave's building scuds.
Yes.
Is this part of the cleanup program too?
That's right. This is
Morning, Dave.
Of our big cleanup program. These are our most popular Scud 400, 4,000 psi water blaster, driven by Honda 13 horsepower.
Yep. So we've got
these
Honda,
are
Big Berty pump
with the gear reduction box. These machines are used for all day, everyday applications, for cleaning and.
So this is 4,000 psi. Is this the specification that the big guys in the hire industry use, or is this a variation of it?
No, that's right. So this is a 4,000 psi that many hire companies using. For example, Canard's Hire use this machine in their hire fleet. So this is their most popular hire machine for Canard's Hire, because the people love the pressure, 4,000 psi, 15 litre per minute flow. You got reliable 13 horsepower Honda engine, gear reduction box, so you can run it all day, every day.
And of course you've got the exclusive stainless steel frame.
Yep.
All these curves means no sharp edge, so people can't hurt themselves. I assume you're going to put wheels on these before you ship them?
Very soon, yes. That's right.
Okay, now they're steel, 13-inch steel wheels with flat-free tyres.
That's right, yes.
Okay, so you said Kennards use these 4,000 psi machines. Their version is electric start, isn't it?
Electric start, yes, and with the heavy duty, like slightly modified, but it's got an electric start engine with the lifting bar on it,
Okay.
with the heavy duty pigtail wrap hose and a single lens, heavy duty gun and lens.
Okay, well, I think that if Kennards, they really understand quality. If they're buying this product, they're buying it because they know it's the best there is on the market,
And it
they're
works.
buying it under problems. Now, what's going on over here? What's the next bench?
And these two benches pull off our Aussie King Cobra Cube drain cleaning jetters. We all know that the flood has affected many areas in the country. There will be a major clean-up program
Now, this
already.
is Alex and Babesh on these bench.
Yes.
Right? How so? You've got the pump motor groups down here.
We've got pump motor groups ready. We'll probably finish these units by mid next week.
These are quite complex machines, aren't they?
Yes.
So they have to be right. And I understand they're replacing the old traditional eels every day out there in the market. Big Berty pumps. It's a big pump. And what's the engine? Honda?
So it's got a V-twin Honda engine, GX690, 23 horsepower class engine. These machines are so powerful, they produce 5,000 psi at 20 litre per minute flow. Can clear up to 8-inch drain pipes.
Wow.
They're faster, smarter and safer.
Okay, now again, stainless steel frames I see.
Yes.
Why do you use stainless?
Yeah, because
It must be more expensive surely than...
we want to give the best quality to the customer. We don't want any complaints from our customers saying the frames rust. Very strong, heavy duty.
Yeah, look, I have to say it looks smart too.
Yep.
But, when I look at this huge Big Berty pump, that whopping big brass head on it, I think, wow, these guys at Bertolini really understand quality. Big unloader valve. Now, are these going north? Is there? I understand with the floods, and even around Sydney, there's a huge amount of drains that are blocked up with silt. And all sorts of things that have washed into them, even stormwater drains. Can you clear a stormwater drain with this gear, the Aussie Jetta? These are King Cobra.
These are King
5,000
Cobra
PSI.
Cube, yep. So yeah, you can clear up to a certain size of stormwater pipe, but not really big ones. You can flush it out, the silt and stuff like that from a storm pipe. And for any commercial pipe work, it's perfect to clean the blockages or root infiltration or any other blockages for up to 6 to 8 inch pipes, no problem.
Wow, okay, well listen, I will get out of your way now. I just wanted to see what was going on down here this morning. I want to share it with some of our customers who are very keen to see how we just put these quality products together, particularly where they're waiting. I know most of these machines are sold already. When's the next bunch get up on the bench?
There would be late next week.
Late next week, okay.
Yep.
Well, look, I understand by then most of those will be sold too. It's amazing the way everybody loves this car. And I understand you're obsessed by quality, right? In the search for it, or you already got there?
We're already there.
Okay, come on, we can always be better.